Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to talk about the 2019 Honda Hybrid OE tire, original equipment designated tire. This is the tire that came with my vehicle on my touring model. It's quite similar to the other Honda Accord Hybrid as well. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for you to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate thumbs up in advance. Okay, so this is the tire I just replaced. Replacing this tire, since I ran over some debris, when I came home, it started getting flat, as you could tell. The air is leaking out. In less than 5 minutes, all the air came out already. So it's a really big puncture, I guess I would say. It's not repairable. So the next day, I was able to locate a tire, but it wasn't easy. So this tire was pretty hard to find. I'm surprised. It's the Michelin Saver A 225/50 R17 94V. All right, 94V means the load and the speed. R17, of course, means the rim size. All right, and those break down into the pounds and MP miles per hour that you go in these tires. I'm not going to go 149 miles per hour, but the main thing about this tire, the takeaway, is basically these are energy saving tires because we have a hybrid. So you're going to replace it with a different tire. Definitely replace it with some tire that helps you save gas. We're not looking for performance, more in terms of gas. The Energy Saver AS is the one that came with the vehicle. Of course, you have different rim, you got different tire. If you have a Honda Accord, you have a wider tire, maybe you have different size rim as well, hopefully. So you notice the rim on the OEM is a little bit different for the hybrid than compared to the conventional car as well too. So to take a look at the front tire and the back tire, of course the front has some wear because I didn't replace it. Traction is only 480. Tread was 480. Traction's A, temperature's A. It's good to have it that way. My personal experience, these tires are, of course you hear the tire noise more in a hybrid because the engine's not on. Handling is okay. I wouldn't say super excellent handling. Of course, I'm not driving a sports car at the same time. So I'm sure there's other lower priced tires out there. So I'm just going to give you the bottom line. So I'm finding these tires at my American Tire for $187, 55K mile warranty. And, they work pretty good. I think I got the last tire. That's what one of the store told me, of course. But I had to wait the whole day just to get this tire. I'm surprised that there's not a lot of stock on these tires. And, more and more people are buying this Honda Accord Hybrid Touring. If you find another tire that works really well, please post in the comments and tell me what your experience is. Remember, it has to be some kind of energy saver or some kind of tire that works with the hybrid so you don't lose the mileage. You got a different type of tire, you can actually lose mileage on the MPG as well too. So it's not every tire will work, even though it does fit your rim maybe. So overall, pretty happy overall. I got my tire. By the way, my car is a lunar silver metallic for all those interested in buying a vehicle of this color. It drives pretty good. I like the size. Tires have some noise a little bit, but it's not really, doesn't bother me a whole lot. But then again, the price is actually pretty high for the tires overall. There are other brands out there, I'm sure, that they give you bigger bang for the buck. So hopefully you liked the video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.